The ingredients you're going to need for these egg rolls are 1 can of whole corn and black beans, half a cup of diced green and red bell peppers, 1 whole diced onion, 2 pounds of chicken breast, 2 cups of shredded cheese, 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayo, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning, 2 tablespoons of chipotle peppers, 3 tablespoons of cilantro, salt, pepper to taste, and egg roll wrappers. Preheat your pan and add half a cup of oil. Let the oil warm up for about 30 seconds and then you can add your chicken breast in. Once the chicken is done cooking, go ahead and add the bell peppers and the onion and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until it's soft. Once the chicken and the bell peppers have finished cooking, turn off the heat and add the rest of the ingredients together and mix them slowly. Once the mixture has cooled down, we can start wrapping the egg rolls. Just get 1 sheet of egg roll wrapper and put 2 tablespoons of the mixture and apply them evenly onto the wrapper. Once that is done, make sure with the tip of your finger, apply water around the corners of the egg roll wrapper to ensure it does not open up while cooking. Preheat your pan with 2 cups of oil and start placing your egg rolls in one at a time and let them cook about 60 to 90 seconds on each side and flip them occasionally to ensure they don't burn. Once they've reached a golden brown color, you can go ahead and remove them from the pan and they're ready to be served. For the sauce, we're going to mix sour cream, mayo, chipotle peppers, cilantro, black pepper, and a little bit of garlic salt together.